Welcome to the Furious Vibe, your go-to channel for all things adventure and automotive. Today, we're checking out the 2026 Kia Bongo Camper van. A compact yet capable rig built for modern explorers. The latest Bongo comes with a sleek new design while keeping its practical roots. Its compact size makes it easy to maneuver in cities and off-road terrains, making it an excellent choice for travelers seeking both comfort and versatility. The upgraded chassis and refined suspension ensure a smoother ride, whether on highways or rugged trails. Under the hood, the 2026 Bongo is powered by a 2.5 litres turbo diesel engine, offering impressive fuel efficiency and enough torque for long road trips. It pairs with an 8-speed automatic transmission, providing a smooth and effortless driving experience. An optional all-wheel drive system adds extra confidence for those planning off-grid adventures. Inside, Kia has transformed the Bongo into a smart, compact living space. The van features a well-equipped kitchenette with a sink, stove, and compact fridge. The rear seating area converts into a comfortable bed, making it easy to switch from day mode to night mode. Thoughtful storage solutions maximize every inch, ensuring a clutter-free experience. Tech-wise, the 2026 Bongo is packed with a modern infotainment system, smartphone connectivity, and a navigation system to guide you on your adventures. Safety features include lane departure warning, adaptive cruise control, and a 360-degree camera system for added peace of mind. For those who love off-grid travel, Kia offers optional solar panels and a dual battery system to keep essentials powered without relying on external sources. Roof racks, awnings, and suspension upgrades are also available for further customization, making the Bongo a versatile choice for all types of travelers. The 2026 Kia Bongo Camper Van is an ideal blend of affordability, practicality, and adventure-ready features. Whether you're planning weekend getaways or long-term road trips, this camper van is designed to keep up with your lifestyle. That's it for today on the Furious Vibe. If you love adventure vehicles and road trips, make sure to subscribe. Where would you take the 2026 Bongo on your first trip? Drop a comment below. Stay furious, stay adventurous.